Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we're going to show you how to repair a flattened exhaust with worn out clamps. So to do this, we are going to be using this pipe rounder tool, and we are also going to be replacing the worn out exhaust clamps with some nice shiny new ones. So as you can see here, this exhaust hangs really low and it has taken quite a beating. This area is actually even concaved in addition to being flattened. Rather than replace all these pipes, we are just going to re-round them and replace these clamps. So it always pays to have a check every now and then on your exhaust. You can see this one's actually missing a bolt and it's not even secure. That is going to cause an exhaust leak, so if you start getting exhaust fumes in the cabin, something like that could be the culprit. To get started, we're going to use a 9/16 wrench and socket. From this angle, you can see this is supposed to be round. It is pretty flattened out on this side. Compare that to our nice new one, which is indeed round. Got all the same components there. You can see how everything goes together. So we'll be installing this later on after we have re-rounded the pipe itself. Remove these as well. These are a different type. They do not have the nuts at the top, and they're actually a 5/8 instead of a 9/16, so you'll just have to find whatever size is on your exhaust. See, the one up front looks a bit more like it's supposed to. It's still pretty round and it doesn't have too much damage on it. So that one could actually be reused if you wanted to. So you can see we've got the clamps off of our target area. However, to actually get to these pipes, we are going to have to undo this clamp and also make sure that we drop it from here as well. Alright, so you can see we've got a nice rounded side. See at the bottom where it starts flattening out. And then this is all flattened through there. You can see how it works. So we'll just continue to do this with all the pieces until we can fit it all back together nice and round. Alright, so there you can see how a pipe rounder works, and now we have a nice round pipe once again. You can also use a leather hammer for some extra persuasion if you want to get it really nice and round. You can see here we've got our nice shiny new bracket. So we'll go ahead and put everything together with our nice new brackets and reinstall it. Alright, so now you guys can see we have reinstalled our repaired exhaust. While it's not perfect, we have re-rounded those pipes and installed nice new brackets. Alright guys and gals, if you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below.